This is ABS-CBN Broadcasting Corporation Channel 2, a commercial television station transmitting on a 346.2 kilowatt transmitter output with permit number BSD-0373-2005, authorizing the station to operate until December 30, 2008. Channel 2's transmitter is located at ABS-CBN Broadcast Complex, Sergeant Esguerra Avenue, Diliman, Quezon City. ABS-CBN TV transmission operation is headed by the following personnel, duly licensed by the Professional Regulation Commission and the National Telecommunications Commission. Rodolfo M. Herrera Jr., Roland P. Garavides, Franklin V. Mira, Michael D. De La Cruz, Ivan L. Banal, Soriano A. Abesia Jr., Gerald B. Caprillo, Alan I. Pantilana, and April V. Tenorio. This is ABS-CBN Channel 2. Now signing off.
Bayang magiliw, pelas ng silanganan, alam ng tustos, sa bibig mo'y buhay. Lupang hinirang, duyan ka ng magiging, sa panlulupig, di ka pasisigil. Sa dagat at bundok, sa simoy at sa langit mong bakaw, may nilagang tuna at awit sa paglayang minamahal. Ang kisnap ng matawat mo'y tagumpay na nagminiting. Ang bituin at araw niya kailang pamay di magdidilim. Lupa ng araw ng walhati pagsika, buhay ay langit sa piling mo. Aming bigay